Preparatory Achievement Academy. We are, we got a high school that's about not even 2 miles away from you guys. So my teacher, Toshimi, filming back there, came up with a beautiful idea to create a birdhouse library. You ever heard of a birdhouse library?
Bird in the house is like a
Young man just said, does it have books in it? So that I like the way you say it. I'd first like to start out by saying thank you to Dr.
Wait, get out of here.
You have a great principal. Give her a round of applause. When I emailed Dr. Burns to talk to her about the idea, she was so excited about this. We are so excited about this. Let me just give a brief, I'll tell you about some people that put this thing together. I told you about Ms. Toshimi, right? Ms. Toshimi is the last year's Teacher of the Year, right? She's the best teacher. Alright, and also Ms. Toshimi started a club this year, so all the kids that you see with these t-shirts on, they're part of the Hope Ambassador Club. So they're part of a very unique club at our school. See the kids with the cameras? I'd like to thank Mr. Cartwright for that, because he started a nice club, right? These kids do a lot of amazing things. They actually were at Publix today shooting another video, so this is their second job of this afternoon. So they're busy, and we get all that for free. You know what I'm saying? Alright, not only Mr. Cartwright, but I'd like to thank Red Apple Supplies. Red Apple Supplies donated a lot of scholastic books today, over 200 books to your school. Alright? So you got a lot of books to read, guys. When I come back, I want to make sure that you guys have read all of the books. I want to give you more books. Right? I want to thank Mr. Rick Blackwell for coming out from the school district to film this. So when we get this nice film together, you're going to see yourselves all over the internet. It's going to be really cool. Alright? And then, last but not least, I have Miss White here from Community School. She does a lot of work with us. And she's helped a lot of these kids that you see with the cameras and behind me. And my assistant principal, Mr. George and Dr. Harrell, they are instrumental in what we got going on here today. So, with that being said, Dr. Murphy.
Yes, thank you everyone for coming out this afternoon. My kids know how I feel about reading. I think once you learn how to read, you will always be free, no matter what happens in your life. If you know how to read, people cannot trick you into selling your soul, selling your home, selling yourself out. Once you know how to read, you will always be free. So I encourage reading every single day, because the more you read, the better you get at reading, and the more you can understand how this world works. I appreciate Mr. Simmons for coming out today and for picking us. He could have chose any other school in Palm Beach County, and we have 180 plus schools, but he chose Washington Elementary, Magnet School of the Arts. Woo! Yes. To be the recipient of this beautiful birdhouse library. The books there are free, so when you're going home, especially when you're going home for long weekends, you always can get a book. When you're done with a book, you can return the book so somebody else can enjoy the book. But make sure you read. And every time you get a book from this birdhouse, remember that Riviera Beach Prep Hope Ambassadors Club thought about you.
Right. Of this beautiful project, but I saved the best two for last. I know you're excited, but there's one teacher in particular that I would love to thank. His name is Mr. Peck. Mr. Peck at my school runs a carpet. They built it from scratch. They got the plans. They figured out how to do it. He walked them through it. And he does a great job with those kids. And those kids get a certification when they graduate high school so they can get a job in the carpentry field when they leave. So Riviera Beach Club has a lot of hidden talents in it. And we just want to make sure everybody acknowledge that. And I saved him for last because this one I wanted to take a picture.
Oh, no. I don't like
Miss Murray, look over here.
10. For the picture.
Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Look at this camera right here, guys. Look at this camera right here. All right, now everybody look at my camera. Look at my camera. Here we go. All right, how about the count of three? How about a thank you? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you!
Hold on, stay right there, stay right there.
And I want to tell you about a really cool story.
Soundstripe. 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 Soundstripe.